Battery Replacement Tutorial for Intelligent LCD UPS Series. Safety precautions. Make sure to turn off and unplug all equipment from the UPS. Turn off and unplug the UPS from the AC power source, and use only the specified type of battery. To start, remove the 2 screws from the bottom of the UPS. Remove the battery cover by sliding it downward. Slowly pull out the rear battery and disconnect the red wire, then disconnect the yellow wire. To remove the front battery, tilt the battery to show the wires. Disconnect the black wire, then disconnect the yellow wire from the battery. Take a new battery and connect the front yellow wire to the red battery terminal and front black wire to the black battery terminal. Make sure the connectors are properly seated. Slowly slide the battery into the compartment and push it fully to the front of the battery compartment. Take another new battery and connect the rear yellow wire to the black battery terminal and the rear red wire to the red battery terminal. Make sure the connectors are properly seated. Slowly slide the battery into the compartment. Reinstall the battery cover by sliding it into the slot, and tighten the 2 screws to secure. To complete the battery replacement, turn on the UPS and run the battery test by using the LCD panel. This video will demonstrate by using the buttons on the LCD panel to configure the UPS settings. To perform battery test via the LCD panel, hold down the display and mute buttons at the same time for 3 seconds to access the configuration menu. Press Display to scroll to the BT option and press the mute button to select the option. When the LCD shows yes, press the mute button to start the battery test. The test will run for 10 seconds and then return to normal operation. You may also run the battery test by using the Power Panel power management software. Warning: do not open the batteries. Released electrolyte is harmful to the skin and eyes. Do not dispose in fire as it may explode. Follow all local ordinances regarding the proper disposal of batteries.